In this video, I want to talk about how you can import a watch list inside of TradingView. Now, to import a watch list, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have an upgraded account, because if you're using the free and basic version, you cannot import watch lists. So once you've done that, head over to products and open up the supercharts. And once you're in here, on the right hand side, you should be able to see your watch list. Now inside of here, you want to click on the drop down menu and you should see a button called Import List. Now you simply want to click on this, and as you can see right now, because I don't have premium, I'm not able to do it, but you should be able to click on this and you can import a list. Now keep in mind, it needs to be a TXT file, otherwise you cannot import it. But most of the time when you export any sort of list, it will be a TXT file. But just if you try and import and it doesn't work, just make sure that it's a .txt file. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.